How y'all doing? Dexterdoitall. And the day, man, might be a little windy, but today I got tons and tons of things to do today. So Dexter really gonna be doing it all today. I got grass to cut, and I got some more stuff to do. Y'all take a walk with me. Yeah, and I got this thing here, man. When I say it's long from end to end, I gotta put tips in today. I gotta put tips in all the way down. So I think it's 65 tips. 65 tips. And another thing, what happened yesterday, we was out there checking out everything. This deal here got a crack in it. I might can show y'all. It's right, let me see, right there. It's right here, come from here. Y'all see the little green line right there? Yeah, you see the little green line from there to there? Got a big crack in it. So yesterday we seen it skeeting out the side of it. We had pressure still, but we was skeeting out the side of it. Had to fix this pump yesterday. Had to take this pump here off, put this pump here on. So we got that going. Good deal for that. So we finally put water in the sprayer now. Then I got this thing here. Oh my goodness, I gotta go back out and do some more water for it, run some more water for it with it. So that's another job. And then these guys right here, I gotta put some more bearings in the planter, the old planter. You gotta disc openers. Gotta put some more bearings in. Well, so that was my day consist of today. And also had to change the tire on this thing here. So on our trailer, they put a chain on to keep it up off the ground. So when I do get ready to get back under, I can just hook up and put the bolts in and put the tire on. Yeah, the old Denali look kind of nasty, man. Oh my goodness. Somebody that needs to come on and volunteer and say, hey, do it all. Let me wash the truck for you. I sure need it. So the first thing I'm gonna do, I'm gonna go ahead and jump on that old lawnmower. While he gotta go get parts and stuff like this, so I'm gonna go ahead and jump on that lawnmower. Go ahead and start cutting my yard. Well, let's see if we get this yard cut. Yep, where we going, D? Boy, you already know. Nah, I ain't tell where we were going, but we're going up here to Lake Village to go pick up a little part from Lake Village. So we already in Eudora. So y'all stay tuned and take a ride. Some guys out there in the field planting right here in Eudora, Arkansas. Just on the north end of Eudora. They out there getting it in. I got one dissing, one dragging, one rolling, two planting. They getting it done. Yep, finally made it to Lake Village, man. Now I gotta find the John Deere place. I never been down here, but I looked it up on my GPS. I ain't found it yet. So let me see if I can find the John Deere place right quick. Somewhere down here, he say, make a left, make a right. He said he ain't for sure, but I'm finna get to looking. Hey, how y'all doing?
Alright, how you doing?
Alright. Grab that part out the back seat in the napkin for me.
Ron, they shell.
The kind of books. Sir?
Who's it going to?
Dexter. I'm gonna pay for it.
Okay.
I'm gonna pay for it.
It's not.
Be a pair of these boots.
Can we make it without
them? Here, D. Oh, yeah, my just got this. Oh, got it. Set, get ready to ride. Got another hour ride back. Well, had to drive an hour and a half just to get a part. All the way up in, what we call it, Lake Village. Like I said, got that little green crack in it. I mean, got that crack in it right there. Got a crack in it. So I guess this the same part. Look the same. Look the same, so I guess they the same. So let's get back on the road. Man, do you know what you doing? Man, this boy driving. You can't even barely see over the steering wheel.
your partner?
Yeah. Well, I guess after a while I'll be sitting on the passenger side doing this here. I won't have to drive all the time. Give me a chauffeur. Give me a chauffeur. Holding the road. Man. You got a lot of screen tips. Got some parts today. All right, see if I can get this thing back on now. See if I can get it back. Uh-oh. Look at that. About to leave these out. Got that done. On to the next. Yeah, I broke this yesterday by mistake. Thinking it, didn't know how it went on, so gotta fix it now. Yeah, this what it looked like before right here. This what it looked like before. No tips, no screen, no nothing. Gotta go all the way through it, all the way through it, all the way down. All 65 tips. Yep, put all of them in. Make sure it's straight right there. We think about doing, we're gonna go black and yellow. We're going home black and yellow. So we got some tips on the truck. We're going black and yellow. How y'all, we wanted to go red, white, and blue. But they ran out of white. And they had too many blues, so, and not enough red. So what we're gonna do, we're gonna go black and yellow, black and yellow. Alright, we can go back over here. What's going on, buddy?
Same old time. You got a GoPro. What the?
What's going on? I need the GoPro. I need it.
This dude. Damn, too much. 10 seafood.
See if we can get this thing all greased up. Huh? Trying to see if we can get this thing here spraying right. Trying to see what the deal is. Trying to get the PSI and what it was man, pound per acre, well, gallon per acre, my bad. figure all the bugs out on it. Got one of them tips wanna act funny, I see ya. You wanna act funny today. Oh, I see what it is. It's dripping right there, got a little deal right there kind of leaking. Well, let it. We gotta get feeding good all the way down. They putting out, dropping water.